I'm Dr. Boyd, Church in the heart of Houston, Texas. I want to congratulate A9 for their endeavor to start this new TV station. I'm proud of what you're doing and wish the very best for A9. As for me, I want to say that as a Christian, I'm proud to know that I have some very good Muslim friends, and I greet these who have come to visit us here in America. Because we are brothers and sisters, and because we do worship the same God. Not only that, but we have the same principles of life as brothers and sisters, working together to bring peace to the world. And we begin that journey by loving one another. And so we say to all Muslims, I have been around a long time, but I'm there to see, and the end of time is time, and to love God and Allah, and to know He is with us, standing on a new world. I want to be a part of building it with you and with Christians around the world. Make a difference together. Let's work together and make it happen.